Okay, Algebra 1, we are here on our first day of at-home learning. Hopefully it's our last day. If this does continue, we'll continue with the with some YouTube videos on the new lessons. We're going to be on lesson 5 today. We're not going to have the test, obviously. The first day back, we will have the test, our first test. But we're going to do lesson 5 today, which is on absolute value and adding sign numbers. Okay, first is the absolute value. When you see these straight lines, okay, that means that you're going to be looking for the absolute value. And anything inside of these straight lines is going to come out to be positive. Okay, anything. -5 comes out to be +5. Okay, it just means the absolute value. 11 minus 2 is obviously 9. It is positive and it stays positive. This answer would be 9. Okay, this one over here, 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is -1, but it's inside of the absolute value signs. It comes out to be +1. The answer is 1. This one right here, 20 minus 2, we know is 18. That's inside the lines. The answer is inside the lines. It is +18. However, there is a negative sign on the outside of the lines. This answer would be, because of that, -18. Okay? That's the only thing you need to know about absolute value, is that anything in the side the lines, positive or negative, comes out to be positive. Excuse me. Okay, now we move on to the addition of, that is not COVID, that is allergies. It's fall allergy season. Okay. I have a number line down here. We're going to go to example 5.2 in lesson 5, and I am on page 26. All right? It's a simple one. It says +3 plus -5. +3 plus -5. Okay? In example 5.3, it says -5 plus +3. Okay? I just changed places. This is known as the commutative property of addition. It doesn't matter what order I add them in, the answer is going to come out the same. This one is +3 plus -5. So I would go +3, right, to this right here, right? Then I would go plus -5. I would come here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finish up at -2. And conversely, the opposite way would be -5 plus +3. I would go -5 to there plus +3. It still ends up at -2. Okay? Those are those two examples. Pretty easy. We go to example 5.4. Two positives. We say +2 plus +1, +2 plus +1. They put these in parentheses. We know that +2, we go 2 places, and then we go over one more place to +3. Two positives obviously equal two positives. And on the other end of the spectrum, we have in example 5.5, we have -2 plus -1, right? -2 plus -1, two negatives, when you add them, equal a bigger negative. We go -2 there, and another -1 would be -3, right? Two negatives equal a greater negative. All right. Example 5.6. This is the last one I'll do. -4 plus +2 plus -1 plus +5. Okay, it doesn't matter what order that we add them in. We could switch them all around. It's still going to come up with the same answer. We come down to our number line. We go -4 plus +2 plus -1 plus +5. And we finish at +2. Here it is. I went -4 plus +2 plus -1 plus +5. I finish right there at +2. Doesn't matter what order. That's the commutative property of addition of signed numbers. Okay? That's today's lesson. Do the evens. 2 through 30 evens. I'll see you tomorrow at school or on video. See ya.